Hi, this is Ms. Barlow. This video is going to be about the Procon chart. It's 306 HI2 Procon chart. It is found in your Google Classroom. Another thing that you will find in your Google Classroom is a digital copy of the sources. And you should, when you're doing the Procon chart, have both of them up, but you should also have your annotated versions in front of you so you know, because we've already done a lot of this, so you know what to take. And proceed with. So please do that right now if you do not have it right now so that you can follow the steps. Okay, so right now you should have the Procon chart, the digital copies, and your annotated packet in front of you. What you're first going to do, step number one, is to separate it in two piles. You're going to actually take the staple off, and you're going to place the pro side arguments and the con side in different piles. We know which one is which because we've done that when we did the for read. Read 3 was actually doing supporting evidence, and we actually labeled it either P or a C, and we said it was either P, an opportunity, or C, a hardship. So you should be able to put those into different piles. And then what you're going to do is going to look over your sources and evidence for both sides and come up with a claim and reasons. What you will argue. If you have more than 3 reasons for any side, you're going to highlight your strongest. So once you do that, I want you to look it over and see what your arguments would be, the reasons would be from that annotated information. And you should see some similarities or something that could be similar. And then you're going to complete these steps. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the blue, and you are going to put in the argument. And you can find that right at the top of the digital copy of your evidence. So you can copy and paste that right in there. And then you're going to go down to the pro claim, and you're going to copy it again. What's easy about this is you just get rid of the did. You put in the opportunities that America's First Factories provided for young women did outweigh the hardship they experienced there, and put a period. And then you're going to do it for the con side also, and you're going to say that it did not. Did not outweigh. Or didn't outweigh. Okay? So you're going to put those pros and cons. Now we're just going to do the pro side. So what we're going to do is, from your gathering of your evidence, you're going to try to figure out something that is similar between your pros. Now we know the first source was a pro. We know the second source was a con. We know the first source is the third source was a pro. We know the second one was a con. Now, as I go through mine, I remember that one of them is that the opportunities of America's First Factories were that because they created great pleasure for the young women. So we're going to try to find that. You're going to do 3 of these, and then you're going to take this, copy this, you're going to put it down here, and you're going to say because, and then you're going to give it reasons. After you do that, you're going to copy all of your reasons from above, and you're going to bring it below, and you're going to put it here. You're going to go to the sources where they come from. I'm going to take the first one, and you're going to put the sourcing in here, and you're going to add a little bit to it. So if I put Lucy Larcom, eyewitness account of what? Of the Lowell Mills in 1835. Then you're going to find some quotes. Citation means the quotes, and that means it needs to be in quotation marks. So you're going to go to the top, and we're going to see some pleasure that happened. So it says that it was learned there was a great deal of play. We're skipping and teasing. You're going to take whatever you want, whatever you need. You're going to copy it, place it into quotes, and then you're going to explain it and elaborate on it. So using your transitions, and please remember your transitionals are in your about section. They are located within. For information, you can go and get your transitional words right here and actually help you elaborate and explain it. So you are going to do you're going to do 1 reason, 3 pieces of evidence here, You're going to do another reason, 3 pieces of evidence here, another reason, and 3 more pieces, just like I showed you. And then you're going to do the con side. A couple of students always ask me, well, what if I don't have enough evidence to put here? Then you shouldn't be using it as a reason. You need all different types of pieces of evidence. You need different sources in order to create a strong argument. So you might need to go and either change your reason, or you're going to need to make it a little bit more less specific so that you can actually support it with the sources that you have. Okay, so this should help you quite a bit. And please complete this, and this will needs to be completed before the next class. Thank you.